If you're looking to have a more efficient weighbridge, which has seamless operations, then having an unmanned weighbridge is the option to go. Why should you consider an unmanned weighbridge? Because you reduce human intervention and thus enhancing integrity of data. Remember, your weighbridge is not just a scale, but it's like your bank. That's where your transactions happen. You pay suppliers against the weight they brought, and you also bill your customers against the goods you weighed on the weighbridge. So having a secured system which has high integrity is vital for your business growth. Today, I would like to show you what SCALESTECH can offer you in partnership with ESIT Electronic from Turkey, a complete and fully automated unmanned weighbridge. So I'll show you the components of the unmanned weighbridge. You can see behind me here, these are mechanical barriers, and basically these are just to close and open when the vehicle is coming in. On the other end is what we call a traffic light. This comprises of red and green light. So whenever it's lighting green, it means that the vehicle is ready to get in, and when it comes on red, it means that the scale is occupied. We have ultrasonic sensors, or sometimes we use position sensors. These sensors help to ensure that the vehicle is rightfully positioned inside the scale before any weighing operations begin. Whenever the sensor is blocked, there is no any weighing operations that will continue. And just behind this sensor, I have what we call a control box. This is the brain behind the entire automation. It helps to coordinate all the devices. And then right at the center here, I have what we call a kiosk. And this kiosk can be equipped with different options. For instance, the kiosk I have here is equipped with a QR code scanner. What's the function of a QR code scanner? For example, when we are doing weighbridge automation, you can integrate the weighbridge with your ERP solution. And this QR code will be generated from your ERP system on your delivery slips or on your pickup slips, so that whenever the drivers come, all the data regarding the order are on the slip. So they will just simply put the QR code under the scanner and it will identify, and the process will continue. And then here we have the printer, and here we have the RFID reader, which can be used in a scenario where you are using RFID cards. And over here, you can see we have CCTV surveillance cameras, which will help show the exact situation of the activities on the weighbridge during the weighing. So on the other end, you can see we have a message panel. That message panel will always keep informing the user what they are supposed to do, and it will also communicate the status of everything. And we have the software there in the computer. So we'll just show you how the exact process takes, and you'll see how effective it is. So I'll invite one of our personnel to show you the entire automation process in just a few minutes.
Assuming I'm the driver and this is my pickup slip, it has a QR code at the bottom. The QR code contains the data regarding my vehicle and what I'm going to do on the weighbridge. So the green light is on. This means that I can proceed to the weighbridge. I will proceed. Once I get to the weighbridge, the back mechanical barrier will close so that any other vehicle cannot access. You can also see that the traffic light is red. This means now I can proceed to scan my QR code. This is the kiosk, so I'll proceed to scan the kiosk. Immediately I scan my kiosk, the system will identify me and the payment will happen. I will get a ticket and the barrier will open for me to proceed so that the next vehicle can come in. Once I am out, this barrier will close while that barrier will remain open so that the next vehicle can come in. You can also see that the green light is on. From the time that it has taken for this transaction, you can see how efficient that this automation will be if you implement on your business. Very much less time has been used to from the beginning to the end.
Well, I hope you've seen how easy it is to just complete a transaction with an automated Weighbridge system, and especially with an integration to your ERP. Whenever the QR code is scanned, the system will automatically transmit data to the ERP, helping you reconcile the transactions and be able to create bills or invoices efficiently. So if you're looking for a company that has an effective and more robust system to automate your Weighbridge, then look no further.